Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need your PlayStation Portal updated and the PS5 available on your network. Once done, sign into the same PSN account on both devices and enable Remote Play on the PS5. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi or put the PS5 on LAN for stability. Now open the Remote Play app on the portal and choose your console. This first connection establishes the handshake that lets the portal act as a hotspot alternative. You'll now create the hotspot base link, enable mobile hotspot on the portal, and set an easy SSID and password. On the PS5, go to Settings, Network, and connect to that hotspot. Once connected, assign a static IP or reserve the DHCP lease in your router so the PS5 keeps the same address. This reduces dropouts. Then reopen Remote Play on the portal and target the PS5 IP directly. This forces the portal to PS5 local route rather than relaying through cloud servers. Finish by optimizing performance. Set the portal streaming quality lower if you see lag. Choose 540p at 30 FPS or 720p at 60 FPS depending on wireless strength. Disable PS5 power save modes so the console stays discoverable. Once the session is stable, save settings and test with a quick game. If things go wrong, reboot the portal and PS5, then reassign the static IP on the PS5. This often clears handshake issues and restores the hotspot-only connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.